Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. Now in this video we understand two keyword break and continue. So this break and continue keyword is majorly used in loops and switch cases. So first we understand this two keyword break and continue, and in the next video we see the practical example of break and continue keyword. So first, break keyword. Break keyword directly terminate the loop. That's mean if there is a break keyword inside the loop, then this break keyword put the control out of the loop and perform code after loop block. So this break keyword will directly terminate the loop and put the control out of the loop. So if you want to break the loop based on some condition, then in that case you use break keyword, because this break keyword will break the loop immediately. We can also use this break keyword in switch case. We will see the practical example in the next video. Now we understand the continue keyword. So the continue keyword will skip the current iteration of the loop and it goes to the next iteration. For example, if you are printing number from 1 to 50 and you want to skip the number which is even, then what should you do? So you create the loop which runs from 1 to 50. Now inside the loop you put the condition of even number, which we have seen in the last video, that how to put the condition of even number. So inside the loop you put the condition of even number, that if the number is even, then inside the if block you put the continue keyword. So this continue keyword will skip the current iteration, that if the number is even, then skip this iteration and goes to the next one. So in this way it's print number from 1 to 50 which is odd. It will not print the even number because we put the continue keyword if the number is even. So in this way we use the break and continue keyword. So if you want to clear the concept of break keyword, so I will give you an example, that the same example, that if you are printing number from 1 to 50 and you have to put the condition inside the loop that if the number is greater than 25, then break the loop. So in that case you put the condition inside the loop that if the number is greater than 25, then execute the break keyword. So this break keyword will terminate the loop and put the control out of the loop. So in this way we use the break and continue keyword. I think you have got the clear idea about the break and continue keyword. We will understand the break and continue keyword using the program in the next video. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.